Hello friends, welcome to Priyagram English. This is Priya. We are learning auxiliaries. We have learned primary auxiliary in last video. In primary auxiliary, there are three forms, that is be form, in which am, is, are, was, were. Then have forms, that is have, has and had, and do form, that is do, does and did. We have learned all these forms of primary auxiliary with example sentences. In today's video, we are going to learn model auxiliary, in which we are going to learn may, might, can and could, with examples. Means how these auxiliaries are model auxiliaries are used in sentences. So let's get started with today's topic, model auxiliary. So our today's topic is model auxiliary part 1. We are learning model auxiliaries can, could, may and might. Now can is used to express ability and permission. Means can model auxiliary is used for showing capability or ability or for seeking permission. See the first example. She can solve this math sum. Here, can is a model auxiliary in this sentence. She can solve this math sum means here her ability is shown or she is able to solve this math sum. So can model auxiliary is used. She can draw nice rangoli designs. In this example, can is used as model auxiliary. Here also she is able to draw nice rangoli designs or she has the capability of drawing nice rangoli designs. Can I come in? In this sentence, can is used as model auxiliary. Here, permission is permission it is used. Means for seeking permission, can model auxiliary is used. Then can you give me your pen please? Here in this example, can is used as model auxiliary for request. Here you can see that in this interrogative question, means in this interrogative sentence, please is used and please is used for request. So model auxiliary can is used as request. Now next, here next model auxiliary is may. May is used to express permission or future possibility. Means for seeking permission or for showing or expressing future possibility, may model auxiliary is used. Here is the first example. Ramesh may come here tomorrow. From this sentence, we can understand that here may model auxiliary is used for showing possibility. Means here we can say that Ramesh may come means possibility is shown. It may rain now. In this sentence, may is a model auxiliary which shows possibility. Means rain can come or it may rain now. So here possibility is shown. You may leave now. In this example, may is used as model auxiliary. Here permission is granted. Means you may leave now means permission is granted. So here may model auxiliary is used. May I borrow your pen for a while? In this example, may is used as model auxiliary where permission is means permission for permission may is used. Now, next, it may not be a fact. In this sentence, may is used as model auxiliary. Here, improbability is shown. Means it may not be a fact. Means we can say that here some possibility or some means in some extent possibility is shown. Means it may not be a fact or it may be a fact. So it is may model auxiliary is used for showing improbability. Then next example, may your dreams come true. Here in this sentence, may is used to express wish. Means when we wish somebody means on any occasion, on birthday or any occasion, then we can use this model auxiliary may. So may your dreams come true, it expresses as wish. Then next, I may buy that house. In this example, possibility is shown. Means I may buy that house means here house can be bought or house may be bought. Means here possibility is shown. Now our next model auxiliary is could. Could is used to show past ability, suggestion, future possibility, etc. Means if something is done in past or something is done with ability in past, then could model auxiliary is used. I could dance well when I was young. In this example, could model auxiliary is used as past ability, means when I was young I could dance well, so it shows past ability. Then next example, she could lift the box as it was light. Here also could model auxiliary is used to show past ability. Means she could lift the box as it was light. Means the box was light, so she was able to lift the box. It means that it shows past ability. Could I use your mobile? In this example, could model auxiliary is used for seeking permission. Next, her assumption could be true. Here, could is used as possibility, means for possibility, means her assumption could be true. From this example, we can understand that it is possible, means her assumption could be true, means it is possible. Could you give me your opinion? In this example, could model auxiliary is used for suggestion. If somebody wants suggestion, then he can use could model auxiliary. So here could is used as suggestion. Now might is used to express present or future possibility or as past equivalence. Let's learn through examples. I thought he might be at home. In this example, might model auxiliary is used to show possibility. I thought he might be at home means we are not sure, but it is possible that he is at home. So might model auxiliary is used. He might help me. Here also might is used as model auxiliary to show possibility. Next example, she might have bought that purse. Here might model auxiliary is used for past possibility. Means maybe she has bought that purse before. Means we are not sure, but it is little bit possible that she has bought that purse before. So here might is used as model auxiliary, and might have bought means here have bought means here we have to write past participle of buy, and that is bought. So might have bought is used as model auxiliary. So we have learned model auxiliary as today's topic. Hope you have understood the topic well. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can comment in comment box. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel to learn some more grammar topics. Goodbye and thank you.